We are going to review top 5 best kayaks for dogs. Let's get started. List number 1. Perception Pescador Pro 12 Kayak for Dogs. The Perception Pescador Pro 12 is a fantastic kayak for anglers who enjoy taking their dogs on fishing adventures. Both the front and the back of this kayak are equipped with large tank wheels where your pup can lie down and relax. On top of this, it's stable, comfortable, and packed with great features like rod holders and gear tracks. Thanks to its roto-molded HDPE hull, the Pescador Pro 12 is one of the toughest kayaks on the market. Not only does it easily resist scratches from dog nails, but it also withstands bumps and hits that happen on the water. With a Pescador Pro 12, you'll have no problems packing and organizing your gear. As we've pointed out. List number 2. Intex Explorer K2 Kayak for Dogs. Compact, portable, and easy to set up, the Intex Explorer K2 is a great choice if you enjoy exploring new waters with your pet. A high-capacity air pump and paddles are included in the package, so you'll have everything you need to hit the water straight away. Despite being an inflatable, the rugged vinyl construction makes the Explorer K2 one of the toughest models in our Kayaks for Dogs reviews. The kayak has 3 separate air chambers, so even if one is punctured there is no chance of sinking. Furthermore, the floor uses the I-beam construction for additional rigidity and stability on the water. Thanks to the splash guards at both ends, the Explorer K2 gives you a lot of room for packing your gear and keeping it dry. List number 3. Intex Excursion Pro Kayak for Dogs. The Intex Excursion Pro is the spacious, stable, and incredibly comfortable, perfect for relaxed, all-day paddling on the lake. It's a tandem kayak with room for dog of any size, so they can choose freely where they want to sit. The 30-gauge vinyl shell and polyester core make the kayak incredibly strong so you don't have to worry about punctures. Thanks to the provided air pump, the Excursion Pro kayak inflates to very high PSI and becomes a rigid boat that resembles a hard shell in many aspects. The hull is 37 inches wide and very stable, capable of handling even choppy water without tipping. In addition to the seats and footrests we've mentioned. List number 4. Wilderness Systems Pogo 120 Kayak for Dogs. While it might seem a bit unusual to use a sit-in model for dog kayaking, the Wilderness Systems Pogo 120 proves that not only is it possible, but it's also very enjoyable. It comes with a spacious cockpit with a comfortable seat that makes it a good kayak for dogs that are smaller. Thanks to its size, the kayak has a pretty good weight capacity too, 325 pounds. Because of this, you won't have to worry about it losing stability even with your dog and a lot of gear on board. The Pogo 120 is very rich in features and comes with large dry storage, a bungee-corded deck, and a customizable dashboard in front of you for stashing small items. List number 5. Sea Eagle 370 Pro Kayak. Thanks to its huge and well-designed cockpit, the Sea Eagle 370 Pro is a kayak big enough for dogs of any breed. By design, it's a dog inflatable kayak made from tough polyacrylic that can't be punctured or damaged easily. Besides the kayak itself, the package also includes paddles, a pump, and a neat carry bag. The Sea Eagle 370 Pro is designed for families who want to try out different things on the water. Overall, it's the best kayak for dogs when it comes to the stability and paddling options it offers. One of the features we particularly like about this kayak are the splash guards on both ends. Not only does this prevent excess water from getting inside the kayak,